So I found out how people here make tens of thousands of dollars a month.
No, not through blogging, not through crypto. Through rebar? Yes, with this little rod right here. Listen, I was shocked myself. I'll tell you everything in order. So, there's this thing called composite rebar. It's not just a rod, it's a fiberglass rod impregnated with a special resin. It sounds like a recipe for some strange dessert, but in reality, it's a building material. And here's the kicker. Regular metal rebar rusts, is heavy, expensive, needs to be protected, painted, and replaced every few years, while composite rebar doesn't rust at all. It's lightweight, 5 times lighter than metal, and lasts 2 to 3 times longer. Builders know this. Builders want this. Builders pay for this. They pay a lot. Now, about the business side of things. To make this kind of rebar, you need a special production line. It's a big machine. Big, but not like a factory. More like 3 garages placed side by side. A space of 180 square meters or more. It's just a regular warehouse that's probably gathering dust for many people. One operator presses the buttons and makes sure everything is running correctly. A second person packs the finished product. The company Construction Innovations delivers and installs the equipment. Setup as well as training the employees is also handled by them. In other words, you step into a ready-to-go, operational production facility and simply manage it. And you make money, of course. Now for the numbers, my favorites, when there are many of them and they are big. One line produces from 20 to 40 kilometers of 5mm rebar.
The average wholesale price is from 10 to 50 cents per meter. Monthly profit is $12,000.
That's net profit, and it pays for itself in just 2 to 3 months. For a business, that's almost instantaneous. It's like buying a hen that lays golden eggs. Who buys this rebar? Everyone, literally everyone. Builders of small cottages, road construction crews, farmers for chicken coops and vineyards, industrial facilities, municipal contractors. In Canada, entire highways are held up by composite materials. In Central Asia, irrigation canals spanning hundreds of kilometers, and major vineyard holdings have long since switched to composite supports. The market is huge and grows every year. According to forecasts, by 2030, the share of composite materials in construction will increase 5-fold. Those who get in now will be skimming the cream in a couple of years. Those who wait will be watching others skim the cream. You have a small space. You can find 2 operators. Construction Innovations takes care of the equipment and launch. Payback is 2 to 3 months.
Profit from $12,000 a month.
If you have a spare warehouse and starting capital, this is possibly the smartest thing you can do right now. Link in the description. You'll find the contacts for Construction Innovations there. They will calculate the payback for your specific region. Write to them. It's not like I'm going to open the factory for you, although it's a good idea.